what's up, buddy? Hey, we just got back from school, and right now, Bordo is downstairs. He's having a snack because he didn't have a snack at school today. So right now he's having some snacks, and then he's on his iPad. So we're up here, and we just went to Myers, and we just got this for me. We just got this massive blaster on. Turn this on for this. So let me see. So it's called the you guys can see it, Phantom. I don't know, that was like, so we had this thing and it comes, so this is like the Phantom, I don't know what that was, so it's Phantom, and what it has, so it has just like this one, but it's more bigger, and guess what else it has? It has 7 balls, and then goes in here, and then check out the back. See, what else? I didn't just put it, for we just got it today. It's Friday. So it comes with that, just like we have right there. And then, and you get to have that. So I don't know. So that's the end at the bottom. I think it comes up. Yeah, I think it comes up. Yeah, I think it comes up. Okay. So before we do get this opened. Okay, there's the tape, so on. Let me go get my good scissors. Hold on. I think we could just do it like this, hon. So, a second. And then, like, if we get, I could dismiss this right now, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm too busy. But I'm just gonna do it from Nerf because I'm just gonna chill out and do what I want to do because right now is the start of the weekend, so I just want to chill, just calm down, do what I need to do. And my bedroom's not that cleaned up. I don't think I need to. And guys, tomorrow I'm going to Planet Free. I might make a video. But when we go, I don't know if I'm going to make a video. But my brother's coming. My brother and sister are coming. We're going to go see all our friends. Oh, they're our best friends. We met before. Okay, so I don't know how to get this tape out on. I got something. I'm gonna use this. Don't try this at home. It can get dangerous. Huh? It's not real nice, so there you go. So okay, but it's plastic, but it's still okay. And did we get it? Okay. Okay, let's get this. I was checking somebody put the camera, but they don't want to. Okay, so it's carefully. So I'm just gonna hold you guys just like this. Okay, so here's it. So let's turn it around. So it comes with this. So there's a one ball, and then we have this. So we have one. I think what the heck? Okay, hon. There's got one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 7 balls, and then we have this. So like when you play in that game, I didn't get to play that game yet. So we have this. Let's go get my scissors from downstairs. I think it's in here. What's in here? Got my scissors. Let's go. the heck? Oh, man, come on. Look at the door. I'll make a video. I'm just pretending. Okay? Hi. Okay. Guys, he's not letting me in. Well, it's okay. My brother's not letting me in. Okay. So. Today, if you guys didn't know, today was 100th day of school. And it was an awesome day. But we didn't get to have any, like, it was fun, but we didn't get to, we had tests. Because guys, they say every Friday at the school, they say it's going to be Fun Friday. And how's it Fun Friday when they have, guys, you know what they have for a spelling test? They have the spelling test. And then we have this big red, this red paper. So it's like a packet, and we have to do it. And then we have this this like it's yellow. We have to do that yellow one, and then we have to do this thing in the morning, and then we have to do that, and it was not Fun Friday because in the afternoon we didn't get to do anything. We didn't get to play anything. All we get to do today was had mindful time. I don't think you guys know what mindful time is. It's at school. It's like it's mindful time like when we go so after lunch we come back and then we have to be all like mindful and just be quiet and draw or something. So when we did that, we get to watch just a show, and then we had popcorn. But I don't really like popcorn, so I didn't get popcorn. Let's get this. And I'm excited to go to the Planet Free. Okay, come on. I need to just hold you guys right there. Okay. Come on. Take out this piece. Oh, and before we get to starting anything else, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment below, and subscribe, and like this video. Okay. It's not done just yet. Okay. Guys, see, we just got that out one. So right now, we're gonna go first is we got this thing. So this thing we put all the balls in, and like we do, the first thing that you get to have this. So we have this thing you have, which has that spring in it, and then you put the balls in there. This thing, guys, this reminds me of this thing. So here, that thing. But they're more complicated and lots of stuff. Okay, so this thing, we'll put that aside, and then we have this thing. I don't know what this is about, so hold on. Okay, here's the box. So, what's this? Oh, exactly. So guys, you see this gun? This gun is just like this one. So that's just awesome. So today, well, my brother got a new Nerf gun, and it's his Nerf gun he just got he just got this one. So now we have two of these. We have two. So so right now I'm having his right now. I'm holding on to his, and mine's is downstairs. So this is his. He got his brand new one. But the side, we just got it, and I asked him, where did you put this thing? It goes on the side, and he says, I don't know where I put it at. And I'm saying, go find it. So we're gonna check these instructions. So let's take this out. This one reminds us is as this gun. It's similar, but this one's bigger. But when we do this, guys, we don't want this to break our jam. Look at this awesome gun. What we have to do, because when I was at my friend's house, he had that same thing. So we don't want anything bad happen to this gun. So we need to be careful. So okay, okay, let's get these instructions, and I'm gonna hold you guys up. This might be a kind of long video, but I don't know. Okay, so hold on, I'm gonna hold you guys. So let's get the instructions out. Let's see what we're supposed to do. We want to keep the instructions just in case. Or you need to keep new instructions. Okay, boost. Set some of boost. Okay. And then you get this thing. Okay. Just like that. Easy. It's easy until it gets very dark. So, put one. Okay. So I see it's the same thing. Like the one we have. Okay, and this thing. Maybe just put us to oh god, I'm losing everything today. Come on. Okay, so we just got this. Okay, so we need to do this is we need to cut out this. Okay, so we're gonna get, so that was 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So okay, we got to put it down now. So now we did that. We did that part. That was number 1, and then it says. So now, what we need to do is put this, but we have to know what we have to do. Okay, like we just, why does it go like this? Okay, so, okay, now we have to do, so now we have to get this thing. Yeah, I think so, huh? Oh, I don't think, okay, huh? So, now we need to do is this, we need to, okay, that's, okay, oh yeah, we did number 2, so now, number 1. Number 1 is we have to put this, to lock this in place, so, okay, so what we have to do is we need to turn this around, and then, if it's in white, okay, it's in white, oops, I had to put it in. Okay. There you go. Okay. So, we got it in. Good. So, we got it in, guys. So now, so got it. So that was. So okay. So I think we're supposed to do is, what is this all about? Oh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do something, so I don't know, I think we're supposed to, so, okay, we need to put it down, okay, like that, okay, now we need to, okay, go on the side, check, okay, so since, okay, I'm gonna put you guys right here, okay, so now we need to do is, we need to go, okay, let's try. Okay, so this is what you need to do. But I think we're gonna get this white. We're gonna do it a couple times. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, that was doing good. Okay, so you have to give this video a big thumbs up for that. Okay, I'm not gonna really kill. at the ball right now. We don't have time to try to find this ball, so I'm not gonna really care about it. Okay, so we got that. So and don't worry, guys. We have tons of more because what we have is this. We have this box full of balls. So we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Come, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, we have 19, and then I will count those in. So be maybe how much we should. I think we should free. So we had 19, and we just shoot it. You just shoot it to free. So this was 7. So 7. Okay, 7, and we just put free. So we have 4. So that means so we got 91. 91. So we just got 3 of it. So 1, 2, 3. So we got 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. We have 95 balls. So we are good to go with those. So like anytime we go to the store, we'll get more of those. So I just did it because you can't have all of them in one thing just like that. So we got new balls, and then right in here, this took 5, and then we have this. And guess what, guys? Right now we have 1, 2, and we have more than that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 packs of those, and then now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, we got 2 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 of those. And I'm gonna chuck in this box this game. So this game, tell me comment below what's this game all about. Because I really want to know about it. Because I really want just to know. Okay, so it's this game you have to have those flags. So red, the team is red and have blue. Oh, I get it. Oh, okay, this would be kind of cool. Yeah, that's cool. So now we have 2, and about the flashlight, I'll be moving that out. I'll be taking this flashlight off, and I'll be putting this flashlight, duct taping it right here. On this thing, duct tape it good. And we have tons of duct tape. If we want to duct tape something to it, and we have it. So we have these. When we got these, we were at my grandma's, and then when we got these, we got this one and the blue one. So the blue one, when we got here, I was using it, and then what happened? It on accident, we were doing it, and on accident, we were just playing the gun, and then we were playing with. We was playing with, when this gun was working, this one shooting really fast, or on accident that shoot this, we had the blue one and shoot that one really bad, so it kind of broke it a little bit. I know it's plastic, but it can break it pretty easy, so we only have that one. And so we just shot that. So we only had the black one. We might get more, but so we have this one good. But I'll be moving the flashlight on here. And then we have these gloves. Because you had the gloves on, it'd be more better. I need to go get more gloves. But my brother has them, but he lost it. So now we have 1, 2. So this one has a flashlight, and this one's normal. So we had to call this one a different one. We can't call it by its real name. This one's gonna be the same one. We have to call this one different. Maybe because it has a flash one. Maybe it's gonna be called Monster Strike. We'll call it Monster Strike. Monster Strike. Okay, that's good. And let's go here with the Zombie Strike one. The only Zombie Strike Nerf guns we have are two of these. One, we have one at our grandma's. We have, but this one's the same one. So we have one of the same like that. Then we have two of these. We just got this, and then we only have one of these, and this just got fixed. So like that's be adding on more. And we have two Zombie Strikes. We're not bringing it here because we have to leave that down over there. And then now we have this one. This one, we're not gonna really use this one because it's kind of getting really bad, and this one's doing fine, but like this one, it's getting some bad. So that's gonna be only for our dad, and we got that one. But this one, we like this gun, but we don't really use it because we don't really understand. It is a cool gun, but this gun is called Ruckus. It's called Ruckus, like just like a ruckus thing. So that one we don't really know to use, but I kind of figured out a little bit of it. But this one is awesome. It's called Surgeon File. Surgeon File is awesome. So it has this. What's cool about it? It has this big thing, so that it maybe take on. How much it takes on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think like 15 bolts go in here. What's cool about it is this thing is kind of just like that one because it has. But there's one thing different about it. This one's more like in works. It has this big bill in it, so it's more cool because it has that thing and it goes. But it's gonna keep the fire off. But it's still cool. And this one we don't have any similar to that one. But actually we do have one more at grandma's is similar to this, but it's kind of bigger. The no one is, we have like a different one like this, and the no one we have at our grandma's is the big one. If you know the big one at the store, that I have at the store, I don't know what it's called, but it's like this big thing at the store. It's bigger than this, and that one is mine, and the no one's for mine. Then we just got like a couple of days ago we got online for looking for a sister. We got like a gun for sister to have, and it's like she has like all these Nerf gun Nerf gun girl guns we got for Christmas, and did that. But hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked it, and hope you see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Peace out.